Hey guys, Rich here, Rich's Custom Marine and Auto. I've got a quick one for you today. This is my shop tow rig. So, been having an issue with the lower power outlet. Didn't have any power, so what I did is I temporaried in an old outlet that I had just to be able to use it, because this is an 04 Dodge Ram 1500. The lower outlet is hot off the battery, and then the upper one is on the ignition. So I was having a really hard time getting the old one to come out. And what's supposed to happen is you get this tool here, and if you go on eBay, that's what I did. These things are $50 or $60 if you buy them at the OEM parts online. That's just the replacement socket. So these have, sorry for the cars going by, I'm out in my driveway here, but these have these little squares on each side, and what you do is sideways and then up into that hole, and then it'll drop down into the other hole. And what that does is, this piece actually should have stayed in the dash, but of course it didn't. It was being difficult for me. So but this has tabs inside of there, and when you put the tool in there, it pushes those tabs out and should allow you to pull this. Now you might have to put a screwdriver gently under the lip here, or a trim removal tool, something like that, to get that thing to move. My old one, I don't know if it didn't look overheated, but maybe it had gotten hot or something at some point. But I actually ended up standing it on my welding table like that with this piece stuck on it, and I had to put a pair of needle nose on there and then tap with a hammer before it finally would come off of there. But when you go to put this thing back together, hopefully this will show up. There's some deals right there. You can see, maybe see the lines, and then this piece, it'll only go one way. So you basically line these up to go in there, and then this piece should slide on. And see, those tabs are already catching, but there it goes. But the whole purpose of those having to be lined up in here is to make sure that these tabs are lined up inside. Now I don't know if I can, if the camera will show that. Looks like you can see it, but that little black plastic, that is the tab that actually retains this. Now this thing should be, yeah, see, that's pretty solid now. And then so then I'll go ahead, of course, and plug in my connector and then pop this thing back in the dash. But I just want to share that quick one with you guys. So I was battling with that a little bit. Maybe I could help somebody out in these 20-plus-year-old rigs. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. Thank you for all the likes and the follows that we've been getting. We're growing, we're getting there. Please like and subscribe to help us out, and we'll see you in the next one.